Hello, and welcome to Innowera's Process Runner Help series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a data extractor automation script utilizing Process Runner. Let's open Process Runner Enterprise, and on the starting screen, let's double-click on New Data Extractor. In the New Process window, we can type in the name of any table or view we would like to extract data from. If you are not familiar with what tables to use from SAP, you can click on the Data Dictionary Explorer button to bring up all the standard SAP tables in an ECC6 system. In the description box, we can type in a description or root table if we do not know the particular table views and joins. Let's type Mara for the table name. Under Base Table, we can add another table. This will provide the standard SAP views for the Mara and MARC tables, to which we could select the appropriate table we would like to extract data from. When we click on either a table name or table view, the row will highlight, and once we hit OK, the table or view name will populate in this box. Again, we can always manually type in our table or view names, as well as any custom table or view names. Once we click OK, we are prompted to log on to SAP. Now we are in the Mapper ribbon of Process Runner, where we have our fields ready to be mapped. To automatically map all of these fields, select any field with the mouse, right-click, choose Select All Rows, right-click again, choose Fast Map, and select SAP to Excel. All the fields from the Mara table are automatically mapped. For this example, let's undo our mapping using the same process so we can demonstrate how fields can be mapped individually as well. By selecting the active checkbox for the fields we want to add, they will automatically map in the order we select them in. We can also press the Control button while clicking to select multiple fields. Then, using the same method as before, right-click with the mouse, select Fast Map, and then SAP to Excel. Now we have mapped our individual fields. Next, we can create a data filter to filter our data from the data extraction. Let's click on the Data Filter dropdown and select Data Filter Builder. Now we can select which fields we want our filter to be based on by clicking this dropdown and scrolling through the list to find the desired fields. For extra convenience, we can use the description box to type in a description if we don't know the exact field. Let's type in material type and select the field. Now we need to decide what values for material type are going to be used for the filter, and we can use the compare operator dropdown to do so. We can select single value, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to, pattern, or range. Let's select range, confirm our choice, and then select a source type. For our source type, we have Excel to SAP, which allows us to filter based on a column, fixed single value, which allows us to hardcode in a value, system value, which allows us to use a system value from SAP, Excel cell value, which allows us to use a specified cell value, and fixed multiple values, which allows us to use multiple values separated by each line. Let's select Fixed Multiple Values, and then enter FERT for finished goods, hit Enter to separate our next value, then enter HALB for semi-finished goods. We can add as many fields as we'd like by using the same process previously used, but for this example, we will just use one field and click OK. Let's go to the Home ribbon, where we can select the start row and end row, as well as the maximum number of records we want to extract. For this example, we will leave these at their default values and hit the Run button to perform a simple extraction on our Mara table. This pop-up is asking us to save our automation script before we run, so let's click Yes, and now we can save it anywhere on our hard drive or network. Next, confirm your SAP logon. Now our data extractor automation script quickly executes a Mara data extraction. If we scroll to the right, we can see our status messaging, which shows all 1,000 records were successfully extracted from SAP. We can look through the individual records by scrolling down, as now the data has been saved in this internal instance of Excel, or what we call the iBook. This video was a brief overview on how to create a data extraction automation script using Process Runner. If you would like further assistance with Process Runner, more online resources can be accessed from the Help ribbon, such as step-by-step tutorials and video tutorials. Thank you for watching.